Hello class 6, welcome to another class, another grammar class. I think this class doesn't need any copy or any board to be described. I think this is very single and very simple chapter I am going to describe in front of you. It's noun chapter again, but it's not collective noun or proper noun or that kind of things. It is singular noun and plural noun. And just listening my words, you will think that, oh, I can do this easily. But still, as it is your text, so you have to read again. So wasting not any time, I will go straight to the books. So open noun chapter and open singular plural noun. So let's come to the chapter and see what is there. So you can see there is a chapter noun, number and gender. Singular number, plural number you all know, and singular, from singular to plural, to convert from singular to plural, whatever you have to do, you have to just add s or es. After singular, you have to just write s or es to convert from singular noun to plural noun. So there are some rules you will read again. You have already known about it in class 5. There are some same and simple texts are there similar to class 5, but still it's your duty to read it, to revise it again. So you can see you will give es. Where you will put es, you know that it is very easy to put s, but wherever you will put es, wherever you can see that the most nouns that end in s, sh, ch or x, so you can put es. You can see class, classes, match, matches, box, boxes, dish, dishes. If a noun ends with in a single z, then it can be es again. Quiz, quizzes, but double z. Most nouns that end in o, hero, heroes. But why it is not s, why it is es? Because you can see that it is o, but before that it is a consonant, so that is the reason it is es. Again you can see there are some rules are written. Piano, pianos. These are some irregular. Radio, radios. Igloo, ratio. So these are some rules are there. You have to read. So nothing so much to be described, nothing so much to discuss about these things. I can discuss 2 chapters in a day, but taking little time, I want that you practice at home very well and you remember this for a long time, that you cannot forget. If anyone asks about something like this, you can speak easily. So I will not start the next chapter, which is gender chapter. You know well about gender, but still it is noun chapter, and I want that you read about it, practice about it, and then the same thing I will say. If you have any problem by any source, you can inform me. First of all, you have to read that singular number. When only one person, place, animal, idea or thing is being referred to, it is said to be in the singular number. But whenever it is more than one, then it becomes plural. And how it becomes plural, some of the rules are given here, here and here. I am not taking on the books or writing on the copy and showing any examples are there, not so many things. You are quite brilliant, you can understand, so just read in your books and you can understand easily. After finishing some chapters, it will be rediscussed again. So I think these kind of chapters don't need to be rediscussed. Still I am promising you, after finishing some chapters, I will again discuss this chapter. So first of all, you read and practice at home. This is very simple chapter, this is very easy thing, but try to focus on your study, your class 6, and day by day you will progress and you will get some chance to get more serious chapter to practice. So for your future, best of luck, stay home, stay safe.